In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Base44 app in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the publishing process quickly and efficiently. Let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Base44. It's essential to ensure that you're accessing the correct website, so always double-check that the URL mentions Base44 explicitly. This way, you can avoid any potential confusion with similarly named sites. Once you've identified the correct link, go ahead and click on it. You should now be on the official Base44 website. On the home page, you'll find a button that says Start Building. This is your gateway to creating and managing your app. Click on this button to proceed further. The next step we need to complete is logging into your Base44 account. If you're already a user, simply enter your login credentials. If you're new to Base44, you'll need to create an account. An essential tip here is to ensure your password is strong to maintain the security of your app. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of all your recent apps. Scroll down the page and locate the specific app you want to publish. Click to open it. This will give you access to all the options available for that app, including the vital one for us today, publishing it. Next, keep your eyes peeled for the Publish button. It's typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click this button to move towards the final stages of making your app live. After clicking the Publish button, you will be prompted with another button to Publish App. This confirmation ensures that you're ready to proceed and is your last chance to review any changes you'd like to make before going live. When you're ready, click on Publish App to continue. Once you've hit that final Publish button, a new tab will automatically open. This tab showcases your live app, and usually you'll see the login window first. This is the same interface your users will see, allowing you to confirm everything is appearing as intended. Take a moment to navigate through the live app to check for accuracy and functionality. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've successfully published your Base44 app. Releasing your app to the public is an exciting moment, and now you have the knowledge to do it with confidence. Thank you for following along, and happy app publishing.